It's hard for me too, plus verb, means you want to tell someone that doing something is difficult or painful for you. Examples. It's hard for me to accept that I failed the exam. It's hard for me to accomplish this job on my own. It's hard for me to see you in pain. It's hard for me to continue being friends with my former girlfriend. It's hard for me to stay in a place where people always fight over almost everything. It's hard for me to know that they don't support what I want to do in life. It's hard for me to say goodbye forever to a very good friend. It's hard for me to leave you crying your heart out in the middle of the road. It's hard for me to care for someone who doesn't want to have anything to do with me. It's hard for me to quit the job I have tried to keep for 15 years.